Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create account on Steam Mobile. First of all, you can download the Steam application. After downloading the application, you can open the app and you can see this type of interface, and make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted content like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now you can enter Steam account name or password. After this you can enter a password. After entering the password, you can now tap on sign in, and after this you can get a code on your Gmail. After putting a code, you can log in into your Steam mobile, and it is the way you can create account on Steam mobile app. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.